Pat here with Pat's Rides. How you doing? Do you want to learn how to install the headlight guard? Stick around, stay tuned, we'll show you how I did that. Here's everything that came with the kit. Your mounting brackets, your guard, and for the life of me, I have no idea what this is for. I don't see anything online about it. Of course, no instructions came with it, so if you have any idea, feel free to leave something in the comments. I think maybe it's for a different model that may need this. Okay, we're gonna have one bracket mount here. Then the other bracket mount is this screw right here. I don't know if it shows up. We'll try the other side of the bike. Again, the one bracket screw is here. Doing this outside in the sunlight, so maybe you can see, but it's causing me to sweat my butt off. And there's the other screw. I think you can see that one. Go ahead and get these broke loose first. And these are a T25. And up inside here is a T30. We'll get that one broke loose and go to the other side and do the same thing. We'll slide this bracket up in there, get this started. All right, what I had to do to get that to fit is I had to remove the washer. Now we'll get this guy started. For right now, just test fitting it, make sure everything works. I'm going to take this back off and actually pre-assemble it first. Okay, what I've done is just loosely pre-assemble this like this, and now we'll actually put it on the bike. Okay, what I've had to do is just loosely pre-assemble these first. Pre-assembly does not work because the things don't line up right. Hopefully you can see this here, this one up in here, and it's the same on the other side. Where you've got this one up here, this one in here. We've got that loosely together. And then, if I turn it the right direction, this should actually line up and bolt up. I may come back and Loctite these, I'm not sure yet. I will say this, it does not line up the best. You'll need a 3mm Allen wrench. And that's it loosely on there. And now that I think about it, I am going to take a break for a minute, go put a little Loctite on these, and when I come back it'll all be buttoned up. Alright, there you have it. She's all installed. It's on there. We got a good 3/4 of an inch 19mm gap. The only real negative I can tell you about is it just doesn't line up perfectly. It's a little off. So you definitely have to loosely install the supports first, then you can install this. And the other negative is cleaning the plastic. These 4 bolts, even though I put a little blue Loctite on, they're going to come out every time you want to clean your headlight. So if you like that video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time.